Imagine saying this sentence. Emma loves Emma's dog because Emma takes Emma's dog to the park every day. That sounds repetitive, doesn't it? Instead, we can say, Emma loves her dog because she takes it to the park every day. The words she, her, and it replace nouns. These words are called pronouns. In today's lesson, you'll learn what is a pronoun? Why do we use pronouns? The 10 main types of pronouns. Easy examples, a quick practice quiz. Let's get started. What is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun. We use pronouns to avoid repeating the same noun again and again. Look at this sentence. Ollie is my friend. Ollie is very kind. Can we make it better? Yes. Ollie is my friend. He is very kind. The word he replaces Ollie, so he is a pronoun. 1. Personal pronouns. Personal pronouns replace the names of people, places, or things. Examples: I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Look at this sentence. Sarah is absent today. She is sick. Ask yourself, which word replaces Sarah? The answer is she. So she is a personal pronoun. 2. Possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns show ownership. Examples: mine, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs. Look at this sentence. This bag is mine. Ask yourself, who owns the bag? Me. The word mine shows ownership, so mine is a possessive pronoun. Another example, the blue bicycle is hers. 3. Reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns are used when the subject and the object are the same person or thing. They usually end in self or selves. Examples: myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, themselves. Look at this sentence. Emma made the cake herself. Ask yourself, who made the cake? Emma. Who is herself referring to? Emma again. Since both refer to the same person, herself is a reflexive pronoun. 4. Interrogative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns are used to ask questions. Examples: who, whom, whose, which, what. Look at this sentence. Who is knocking at the door? Ask yourself, is the sentence asking a question? Yes. The word who is asking about a person, so who is an interrogative pronoun. 5. Demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns point to specific people or things. Examples: this, that, these, those. Look at this sentence. This is my notebook. The word this points to it. So this is a demonstrative pronoun. Another example. Those are beautiful flowers. 6. Indefinite pronouns. Indefinite pronouns refer to people or things without naming them specifically. Examples: someone, anyone, everyone, nobody, everything, nothing. Look at this sentence. Someone left the window open. In this sentence, the person is not named. So someone is an indefinite pronoun. 7. Relative pronouns. Relative pronouns connect two parts of a sentence and give more information about a noun. Examples: who, whom, whose, which, that. Look at this sentence. The boy who won the race is my cousin. The word who connects boy to the rest of the sentence. So who is a relative pronoun. 8. Reciprocal pronouns. Reciprocal pronouns show that two or more people do the same action to one another. Examples: each other, one another. Look at this sentence. The two friends helped each other. Did both friends help? Yes. The action goes both ways. So each other is a reciprocal pronoun. Another example. The players congratulated one another. 9. Emphatic or intensive pronouns. Emphatic pronouns are used to emphasize or give extra importance to a noun or pronoun. They look exactly like reflexive pronouns, but their job is different. Examples: myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, themselves. Look at this sentence. The principal himself presented the award. The word himself gives extra emphasis to the principal, so himself is an emphatic pronoun. Another example: I baked this cake myself. 10. Distributive pronouns. Distributive pronouns refer to people or things one at a time, not as a group. Examples: each, either, neither. Look at this sentence. Each received a certificate. Ask yourself, are we talking about everyone together? No, we are talking about one person at a time. So each is a distributive pronoun. Practice quiz. Identify the type of pronoun. She loves reading. Answer: personal pronoun. This book is mine. Answer: possessive pronoun. He fixed the bicycle himself. Answer: reflexive pronoun. Who is your teacher? Answer: interrogative pronoun. Those are my shoes. Answer: demonstrative pronoun. Everyone enjoyed the picnic. Answer: indefinite pronoun. Writing tip. Using pronouns correctly makes your writing smoother and avoids unnecessary repetition. Instead of repeating the same noun over and over, replace it with the appropriate pronoun to make your sentences clearer and more natural. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more grammar lessons from English Level Up Academy. See you in the next lesson.